Hi everyone, Shyamanand here from Hyper Automobiles, and what we have here is a 2019 Renault Duster and it's a petrol. So yeah, before we kick off this review, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we have loads of content coming and we are doing this for a reason. We're going to disclose it, soon. So yeah, let's get back to the review. And honestly, from this video, safety first. So I need to wear my mask.
Oh, yeah.
And don't mind my haircut. I don't like it. So yeah, let's get on with the review. So talking about the design of the car. So you have these updated headlamps over here. They have the new
Neon
DRLs.
lamps.
Exactly, yeah. And then the chrome treatment in the interior, which looks very nice, I feel.
And they also don't have the fake ones.
No fake,
Which is good.
Which is very nice of
Yeah.
Renault. And honestly, this is the biggest badge I've seen put into a car.
Yeah.
It's huge, very nice. Full chrome treatment. And yeah, to make it a bit sporty, there's a bit of black on the grille. Because I think the normal ones had silver.
Silver, yeah.
So yeah, and coming down, and the good thing is no fake ones. You have the fog
And
lights over
fog
here.
lamps, yeah.
So yeah, that's about the front. And in the bonnet, you have these lines which are updated. You get these kind of muscular lines.
The rims are really good
The
for the
rims?
new Duster.
They look really good.
I think they're alloy rims.
They are alloy. They are alloy. Yeah. So the wheels you get here are 16s. You get 16 inches over here. You can upgrade them just like any other city car. You get discs in the front and drums in the back. And then as you see, the wheel arches here are nice, bold and muscular. And then as you see here, this denotes the engine. Is the RXS engine. Coming out to the mirrors, yeah, no chrome treatment. It's like black. Here you have the roof rails over here.
Yeah.
And then the
And
doors are also pretty simple.
You even have the text here Duster.
Duster, yeah.
Which the old Duster didn't have.
Yeah. And then coming to the back again, you have the huge wheel arches over here, very muscular.
Yeah.
And coming to the back, this is the boot of the car. So you can. And here, as you see, the bumper over here, you have the sensors over here.
The reverse lights.
Yes, yes. And then yeah, here
And
the
there's the anchoring hook.
yeah, the towing hook.
Towing
And then this is the tail lights. These tail lights have been updated. Even these have been updated. These are now LEDs. This whole strip. It looks good in the night.
looks good, yeah.
And then yeah, that's
It's a
about,
petrol, like Sham said.
yes, it's a petrol. And then,
Yeah.
yeah, that's about the design. Let's move on to the interior. So now we're in the interior of the 2019 Duster. And honestly, I have to say this, it's a huge improvement
Yeah.
from the last
Even
one.
the leg room they updated a lot.
Yes, yes.
Lot of space.
Now it
here.
helps the rear passengers very
Yeah.
nicely. Then here
You have the text
exactly, you have
Duster,
the huge Duster, which looks nice.
Yeah.
You have the airbags over here.
which is good. The
is good.
old Duster didn't have airbags,
Exactly, that was pretty-
and the ACs are still the same, but they're a bit better from
They're a
the
bit
old
better.
Duster.
Exactly.
And, yeah,
They feel more premium.
you have the like you
So
know.
this is digital over here.
Yeah.
It is not completely. So coming to the infotainment system of the car, the infotainment system is pretty good, I would say.
Yeah, it's
The ra-
futuristic.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Modern, yeah.
And even it's good, I would say,
You should connect
for
to the
settings.
Bluetooth.
It's. And honestly, it is not that laggy also.
Yeah, yeah.
Like it is kind of laggy, but what can you expect? Like it's a city car.
yeah.
And yeah, that's about infotainment
This is
system.
the parking lights here, hazard
Hazard
lamps.
lights over here. And then yeah, so this infotainment system now it supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At first there was no infotainment system. Then coming over here, it shows that you haven't put your seat belt and all those things.
Yeah, I guess we both didn't put it.
Yeah, and here you have and I love this toggles again. You have the climate control toggles, you have the fan speed, and then you have even where you want to focus the AC on. That's very nice. You have a rear defogger, you have the AC. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
this is, I think,
as you
automatic.
see over here, this is the automatic one, not the
Yeah.
manual. It's a 4-speed automatic. And this, you can change it to manual mode. You don't have the steering mounted controls over here. So it's pretty much, you
Old style.
exactly, yeah.
Old-fashioned.
And then here also you have the airbags, nice. Then you have the steering wheel, bulky, pure SUV. No flat bottom, it's not sporty. Whatever, coming to the dials over here, tachometer goes all the way up till 7000 RPM. And it shows that some doors are open. Here it shows the handbrake is on. You can't drive it. And then because it's a petrol engine, it revs pretty much freely to 4,500 RPM.
Sorry.
And then here the speedometer goes all the way till 210. It won't. Like it won't cross 200.
That's the max.
Exactly. So its top speed is around 170 to 175, which is very nice.
Yeah, for SUV.
And then yeah, it shows that you're in parking right now. What's your mileage and all those things. And that's about it. Yeah, so just behind the steering wheel, you have the stalks right here. You can control the volume of the radio right here in the infotainment system with the stalks over here. So this is plus and minus. Use them like paddles, and then yeah, you see that. In this stock, you can press a button, and the digital display. You can see what are the different things that you have done with the car. You can see the mileage. You can see how many kilometers you have done, how many kilometers per liter, and all those things.
Left with petrol.
Exactly, very nice. And then yeah, coming to the center console. So the center console, you have as I said before, you have
AC.
the toggles over here, which is very nice. Here you have a kind of small storage space. I don't know what's it for, but it's pretty small. And then you have
Charging.
a charging port over there. Yeah, very nice USB. And then here you have some cup holders, decently sized ones, 1 and 2. You have 2 cup holders over here. Here also you have a small storage space.
Yeah, Duster didn't have much space in this
Center
car.
console, that's
Yeah.
correct. I think they just kept it in the boot, everything.
Yeah.
And then here's a handbrake, large, long handbrake.
And the cup holder.
Cup holder, one single cup holder. Even the old one had it just like
Yeah.
that. Very nice. So yeah, we have also you have a
mirror
vanity
here.
mirror over here.
Yeah.
We seriously don't want to do a face reveal, so please subscribe. Here you don't have a vanity mirror, which is very nice. Light, you have the light over
Lamp
here.
here,
It's
yeah.
been upgraded a little bit. The controls are almost the same.
Driver's seat has pretty good headroom.
It's a very nice headroom. The interior of the door is also very nice, just like the old Duster, very premium feel. And then you have the door unlock handles over here, which is it's good. It's well designed. Then you have the power window. It's all power windows. You have the power window lock over here. You have door bins over here. These door bins are actually pretty decently sized, honestly. So Duster doors are also not that heavy. Yeah, it's pretty light. And then yeah, that's about the front. Let's get on to the back. No, it's fine. Yeah, so the lights over here, this is low beam. So you have only one over there. And then yeah, so this is high beam. This looks very aggressive. You have the extra light over here. All are halogens. You can see right them. Yeah, it's all are halogens. And then this is the extra one. It switches on all the 3 modules. That looks very cool. That's awesome. And then yeah, that's about it. That's the indicator over there and hazard lights and all those things. Yeah, that's about the front.
So now
Yeah,
we're
so
in the
we're in the
back
back
of the
seat.
car.
And I have to say, loads of leg room,
space,
loads
yeah.
of knee room, everything. Like it's pretty much loads. You can stretch it out. Better than the old
Yeah,
Duster.
there's a lot of space.
Better than the old Duster,
Yeah.
which is very nice. Even the seats are pretty high, and even there's not much of a hump.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
nice. Then even if you sit here, again under thigh support is a problem, but,
But
still
yeah, you can
loads of
manage.
headroom. Even if you sit here, you have loads of headroom, and yeah, like full felt, and you have 2 lights
And you have
over
2
here,
lamps here,
2 reading
yeah.
lights over there, and then you have the grab handles over here.
Yeah, you can't move these, but yeah, that's okay.
You can move this. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pure off-roading theme. And then here you have the door pockets. These door pockets are a bit tight, just like the old Duster.
Yeah.
A bit too, pushed to the seat. Here you have the, so
Cup
in the
holder.
front you have adjustable headrests. Yeah, in the back you have 2, but the center one is fixed.
Yeah, like
So-
the old Duster.
Yes, and then here you have,
Cup holder.
yeah, typical cup holders.
Yeah.
And I have to say, it overall feels very premium than the last one, than the last Duster. So yeah, you have 2 cup holders, so we're decently sized, very nice. And then put that back again.
Oh,
So
this is like the old Duster. The window doesn't go completely down,
that is
which
pretty
is
annoying for
disappointing.
children. That just blocks the view of children.
It's perfect for passengers to sit.
It's
You'll enjoy.
perfect. It's perfect. Yeah,
Yeah.
it is.
So we'll go to the back.
Yeah. So now coming to the boot of the car. So just like all the other Dusters, it opens very wide, huge.
Yeah.
Even the door sill is even the boot sill is pretty low. So low, and honestly, loading it can be easy, but this bumper is here, so you may scratch your paint. This should have been over here because this is the anti-scratch kind of thing. But this thing you may scratch the paint while you're loading your suitcases, but it's fine, I feel. And even the loading level is not that low. So
Yeah.
it's pretty easy, and you have the felt over here again, very sporty, red and black.
But one good thing, although like it's not low, you can see there's a lot of space. So you
Lot
can
of space,
see
and you can
it,
fit
yeah.
a lot of things over here.
Yeah, yeah.
So this comes in at 480 liters of boot space,
Which is lot.
which is a lot, which is just like 30 liters away from the Honda City. For the boot, you see over here, you see some wedges and some kind of designs. This is actually for you can fit a
Seat. Extra seat.
you can fit an aftermarket seat over here. It'll be side facing like two. It'll be
like the Thar.
Exactly, you can fit two over here, and then you can make children sit over there. So which is very nice. Even
And it's not even uncomfortable. There's a lot of space.
lot of headroom over here. So
Yeah.
it's a pretty practical
Not
car.
bad, yeah.
Exactly. And then even if you don't put the seats also, anyone can sit here if the boot was empty, because it's very sturdy. And then when you open here, you have a spare wheel
Which is
but-
below this.
Exactly, which is below this, which is under the car.
Yeah.
We can't show you that right now. And then that's about the boot. Let's get on the engine. And you have a kind of, so this may look like nothing, but when you open this, you have the
Tool step,
exactly, to change a wheel, to change a whole
Which
tire.
saves a lot of space.
Exactly, and it's a very nice design.
Yeah.
I'm being honest with
And
you all.
it's satisfying to close it.
Yeah, you just have to
Yeah.
press it off, and that's it.
Yeah.
So let's get on to the engine. So
Yeah.
to open the engine, we have a lever over here, which we open, and again struts. The engine
Yeah,
goes
which
up.
is so good.
Which is so
like
good.
you don't have to put that
Exactly.
rod kind of thing.
Rod kind of thing, because it struts and it's very nice.
The engine is huge.
One huge engine bay. So what we get here, because it's a petrol engine, you get 1.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine. So this gives you 106 horsepower and 142 newton meters of torque. You might so this doesn't have the turbo. That's
Yeah.
why it has kind of a little less horsepower. Now I think the diesels come with a turbo. The petrols don't come with a turbo because they're already very refined and all those. But the insulation over here, very nice, not fully metal. Then that's about the engine. So what do we think of the 2019 Renault Duster? So it's a huge improvement from the
2012, yeah.
like 2012, 2013. It's a huge improvement. The interior has been refreshed. Not much, I would say. Even the design has been, the headlamps have been refreshed. The grille has been a little more sporty. No
The
fade.
rims are even better.
The
The
rims are even
oldest
better.
rims weren't so good.
Exactly, and this, you get a more sporty feeling with this, with the red and black stitching interior.
And no fake vents also.
No fake wins, pure Renault. And even the color is awesome, honestly.
Yeah.
And you have the big roof rails over there. So we think it's an awesome off-roader.
Yeah.
Not like the Thar or anything, but this one you can take your
It's-
family
yeah.
and you can do off-roading at the same time. So it's pretty much a multi-purpose car, and it's very practical. You have
Yeah.
huge door bins, you have a huge boot,
Lot of space.
lot
for
of
passengers.
space, and it gives you the power you need. So it's all adequate. So that's what we think of the car. Let us know what you think about it in the comments.
Yeah.
And anyways, before ending this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because we have. Okay, I'm not cleaning that again. It's getting boring. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Leave a like if you want to, and tell us how you feel in the
Exactly.
comments.
See you in the next video.
Yeah.